This is our line for the single robot, no idle stroke, running at 240 strokes per minute. This is the feeding system. We have to feed the body blank to the table first, and then the table will feed to the roller, and then go for the feeder. It's 240 strokes per minute, and this is our press. We have hydraulic mold lock system to lock the mold with a hydraulic, and a motor to adjust the mold height. And the gear is soaked inside the lubricant oil. The gap is about 1 mm, and this is the rotary liner, the 8-head rotary liner. Now I'll run the machine. We have magnetic belt to do the reverse. And for our ends, there is no scratch.